car gonna start and gonna stay running now. 2007 Volkswagen Jetta. So a common problem on these vehicles, Volkswagens, is the ignition black cylinder goes bad, and you guys need to fix it somehow if you guys want to keep driving the car. So when I got this car, the ignition black cylinder was not turning all the way to start the vehicle, but I was able to remove the key, and I wasn't able to remove the ignition lock cylinder, because in order to remove the ignition lock cylinder, the key need to turn to align the hole that is there to the pin. Since I was not able to do that, I decided to remove the ignition lock cylinder housing with the ignition lock cylinder in it, and I drilled the ignition lock cylinder out. Now the ignition lock cylinder housing is empty inside, but the ignition switch is in the back, it's connected to it. The housing is empty right now. I throw the ignition lock cylinder away because it was not good anymore, right? But I kept the key because I needed for the immobilizer, for the signal to the computer, immobilizer, all those things. So make sure you guys do not damage this ring, because this ring is the one that gets the signal from the key and send it to the computer. This ring is attached to the ignition lock cylinder and also has a connector. So make sure do not damage the connector or this ring, otherwise you guys not gonna be able to start the vehicle. So this is the way I start now. After I drill it out, I put a zip tie to the key. So this screwdriver is 5.5 inch to reach the ignition switch all the way to the back, but I still need the key, because like I said, you guys gonna need this to start the vehicle. Alright, let's do this first. I'm gonna try to start it without the key. You guys gonna see what's gonna happen. Yeah. You guys get the screwdriver on the right spot and turn it counterclockwise or clockwise into when the vehicle starts. Okay. So if you guys don't have the key, the car gonna attempt to start, but it's gonna die because it's not detecting the key. So now I'm gonna turn it off. Turn it on again. Yes, it did the same thing. Attempt to start, but it didn't because no key. Okay, that is in the off position. That's why I put the zip tie on to hang it from the what's this, wipers switch. So now, since I have the key, I'm gonna stick the screwdriver, find the right spot and turn it to the clockwise or counterclockwise. Car gonna start and gonna stay running now. You guys can see there the gauges.
Ooh, I feel that warmness.
Gonna turn it on. Off. See, I turn it off. All the gauges went down. This means the vehicle is off. I'm gonna turn the key. I'm gonna turn the screwdriver in this case. So car is running now, and look at that. I'm gonna start driving. See, he's working. So you guys have this problem and do not want to spend any money, and you guys want to keep driving your car, right away do this. Alright guys, thank you for watching the video.